I am loving these stainless steel kitchen shears from Gidli. We've had these for about a month or 2 months now, and they're simply amazing. First of all, it's a really great fit for either hand, left hand or right hand, and they are so sharp. We use these to cut everything from quesadillas to pizza to chicken to Korean barbecue. And I really love that this can be taken apart very easily by rotating it in a certain pattern. And it comes with a bottle opener here, and you can just open bottles with this. You can also use this end to scrape off fish scales, or for vegetables, you can kind of peel carrots with it. So this makes it very easy cleaning if you can separate them easily. And I also love that it's got this little vent here, and you can see that there's a vent right here as well. It makes it so that it easily moves back and forth and it doesn't get caught on anything. I also like that has have a lifetime warranty as well. So if you contact their support, they will replace it free, with no questions asked. So this is simply amazing. It's a great deal. I love it. We use it all the time, like almost every day, every time we cook. And I hope you all find this helpful and have a great one. Check out the link in the description or scan the QR code to see my Amazon picks. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.